Homemade Skin Whitening Cream DIY. Transform your skin naturally. Homemade Skin Whitening Cream is a natural, DIY skincare product designed to brighten and even out skin tone using safe, nourishing ingredients. Typically made with items like rice water, aloe vera gel, licorice root extract, and vitamin E, it aims to gently reduce hyperpigmentation and enhance skin radiance. These creams are free from harsh chemicals, making them a popular choice for those seeking a natural glow while maintaining healthy skin. Ingredients: rice water, aloe vera gel, licorice root extract, meal tea, vitamin E oil, shea butter or coconut oil. Instructions: prepare rice water. Rinse half a cup of rice to remove impurities. Soak the rice in clean water for 15 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Strain the water and set it aside. Combine ingredients. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of licorice root extract, and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Add 1 tablespoon of shea butter or coconut oil. Mix rice water. Gradually add the prepared rice water to the mixture, stirring until it reaches a creamy consistency. Store. Pour the cream into a sterilized container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. How to use. Apply the cream to clean, dry skin at night. Use sunscreen daily, as brightening ingredients can make the skin more sensitive to UV rays. Thank you for watching. If you found this DIY skin whitening cream helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing and take care.